YouTube, UKLockPicka back with another video. Tonight's video is going to be a challenge lock. It's going to be a Sargeant ASSA ABLOY pinned by none other than Lonewolf. It's called the General. Gives some wicked false sets. I have picked this once. I've picked it twice. So I'm going to try and get it on camera, hopefully, first time. Because I haven't got a lot of battery. But it was sent to us by Donn. Donn's new to Locksport. I'm not sure what his YouTube channel is, but when he tells us, I'll put him on the cards to give him a good head start if the channel's new. And then I'll also put some stuff in the description about you, buddy. So, yeah, thanks again. Now I'm going to see if I can pick it. So, the mummified key will stop there until I've opened it. To open it, I'm going to use top of the keyway tension. I'm picking upside down. And I'm using this hook only so I can bend it if I need to. Which I think I'll just bend it now. I'll bend it round so there's a nice big arc on it. I found it works better. I'm just going to start picking. Right. So, shall we zoom in? Yeah, let's zoom in. So you can still see the tension wrench. I think that's a good angle. Right, starting at the back on 6. It's a 6-pin lock. And that was 5, 4, something sort of a set. I'm not quite set, it was number 6, 5, 4, start again. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I think 1's a double spool because it does give you the run around, unless it's a spool on the top or some kind of spool or mushroom pin, and then I'm oversetting it and then setting a key pin. Oh wow. That's the first time I picked it, it took us about 5 minutes. So if that's picked now, which it obviously is, like, I am surprised. Unless it's caught in a trap. I'm hoping it's caught in a trap because that was too fast. And I don't know, is it meant to turn all the way around? It's got to. I don't know what to do here. Never picked, surely. It is picked. Oh dear. Oh well. Lonewolf, honestly, mate, the first time I picked it, I must have been picking it for at least 7 minutes, maybe. Between 5 and 10 minutes, I'd say. So I didn't think the video's done the lock justice because I know there'll be a lot of good work in there. So apologies, mate, apologies, but it is what it is. So I'm going to spin that back round and lock it. Dear me, never mind, shit happens. I'll have her out. I cannot wait to see what's inside nonetheless, because I know how much of it. It was a good tricky pick the first time I picked it. It was, honestly. Get me shim. Have I got a shim there? There's me John Eggington's pick. I knew I had it somewhere. I'm going back in the tool roll. Yeah, open this lock. Keep that in sight. Right. Can you see me on there? See what the bitting's like on the key. It's the bitten. can see why I felt I needed to bend the pick to get to that pin. I think what was happening when I first tried to pick it, I was using this one here, which was a Peterson gem, which I was struggling with. I don't know why, because it seems like it reached, and I know it's close, isn't it? I just couldn't pick it with that pick, that was all. I thought it might have not been long enough or something, but this lock, mate, works perfectly. Absolutely no hang up whatsoever. So fair play to you, mate. Let's see if I can get a shim in the little bugger. I don't know what it is with gutting locks with me, but Jesus, something always goes wrong. That's better. Try turn the key, you dick. I think that's in the replace. That's it, that's in. Shall get a follower, get me tweezers sorted. Where's the key pin's gonna be? Smooth, put in there, in sight. Where's the pins? There. So I can see all of them. I'll get it out, get them out, but it works perfectly. Look at that action on there. Boom. I'm got a mental eye on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, unless that's just to keep it in. I don't know. I wonder if you could put 7 pins in it. So, in number 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take a close look at this. I can't see anything unusual. Nothing. Total stock. And get these all lined up. Nice bitting that is. It's lovely pins as well. I think they're... I'll have to have a close look at them in a minute. I'll spin that one round. Right, as for the business end. In 6. That's got to be a pin you've made, mate. That looks mint like. 5, 4, 3, 1. Look at that. That is an awesome pin. Oh. That looks wicked, mate. No wonder the false sets that I was getting were deep. Stand it in 2. Get all the springs out. There's not going to be any work done in there, I wouldn't imagine. From this factory. Nothing. Lovely lock though. It's the first Sargeant ASSA ABLOY that I've done. So I'm buzzing to have that picked. Buzzing to have it up. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you have, please subscribe. Leave us your comments. I do always try and reply to every single one of them. Hit the like button, and if you're really fancying the channel, hit the bell button, and then you'll get a little notification when I put a new video out, and you just keep all up to date. One other thing, don't forget to subscribe to our group. Let's get it properly in motion. Get involved in the giveaways by, all you've got to be is a subscriber. When it hits 100, I put everyone's name in a hat, or do the comment trickery on the PC, who picks the comment, who wins. So for now, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye bye now.